if the customer is successful, HPE is successful as well, right? And we only can be successful, or the customer can only be successful, if the end user is satisfied, if the end user experience is on a very high limbo bar, right? That means we have services to help the end user satisfaction or help the end user training from the beginning of the journey. We have called this the management of change course we have to go through, right? So we not only train end users on the adoption of the new technology, also the IT and also all the communications part around this is very important to have management of change services adopted to that. So circle back, it's a life cycle, right? We need to have support services, which we have because of our Microsoft CSP status we have, as well as having adopted management services, means managed services for Microsoft 365 customers. So that the customer really don't need to care about all the admin tasks, that this comes from our remote delivery part of the world, right? And that's the whole life cycle of how we see the digital workplace evolves, starting from an advisory with strategic workshops, defining roadmaps, defining milestones, going into a professional services approach where we do the migration of data, migration of identities, coming to a support life cycle and managed services. So what we found out is the risk is really not in the technology, the risk is really in the end user. So that's the reason why we see the effort for helping the end users with around 60%. 20% is process driven and just 10% is technology, right? So we found out that management of change offerings helps the end users going through that digital journey of transformation.